That is what is left of a giant redwood. Fern, fern everywhere you look. There is fern. Now, I don't know if that's moss or lichen or what, but there's no shortage of it, is there? This is a down tree that has had other trees grow out of it. This is the base of a redwood, and I'm not sure if there's another two to the left of it. There's one farther to the left of it out of view, but that thing is probably about 6 feet wide, the main trunk, maybe even more. So I have no idea what the diameter is. That thing is huge. See if I can get the whole tree in here. That's all one tree. I'm going to pan a little more. And it's probably a good 12 to 15 feet wide at the base. And it goes up and up and up. Let's see if I can do this without getting too hot of an exposure. It looks like it grew out of the ground. Or maybe the ground just eroded away from around it.
Did you get the roots of that one?
Yeah. Here's another one with a complex trunk. Just unbelievable. The moss is so thick here that it's just hanging off the trees like it's grown a beard. Afternoon. How are y'all?
Any wildlife at all? They all scattered.
I don't know how far up the hill that thing goes, but just to give you an idea, that's the main trunk right there. And that's a good 6 feet wide. So we're underneath this tree, and you can see the lichen, the fern. It's all growing down off this tree. Here's a monstrously big one. Actually two growing out of one, it kind of looks like. I'm going to try to pan up here without getting burnt out. So that is the bottom of the branches on this tree. No telling how high up it goes. Just dense Forest. Even though it's cool, you can feel the humidity in the air. It looks like that tree is wedged between two other trees. And the left end of it is suspended in air, as you can see. The tree is just drenched in lichen and moss and fern and everything else.